AI just broke performance marketing dominate the future. Struggling to get the results you promised in your marketing campaigns? What if I told you AI is not just helping, it's completely rewriting the rules of performance marketing? Hey, I am Mehul Brahmbhatt, CEO and founder of Matrix Bricks, and I have helped hundreds of businesses scale their marketing campaigns efficiently. I have spent over a decade and a half working in a digital marketing and a tech, and I have seen firsthand what actually drives results and what just noise. Right now, AI is not just a tool, it's rewriting the entire playbook for our marketers. If you understand it and adapt, it can give you a massive edge. Today, I'll show you how AI is a transforming performance marketing and how you can use it to stay ahead of the competition. AI powered targeting, goodbye guesswork. Targeting the right audience has always been one of the biggest headaches in marketing. Broad demographics and manual testing used to be the norm. But AI changes the game. By analyzing massive datasets in real time, it identifies exactly who is most likely to convert, helping campaigns reach the right people with precision. Predictive analytics highlights your highest value audience before campaign even launch. So you focus your efforts where they matter. AI monitors real-time engagement, automatically refining targeting for a better results. Personalized content suggestions adapt to audience behavior without constant manual tweaking. Platforms like Google and Meta now use AI-driven insights for a smarter placements, ensuring your ads reach the people most likely to act. With AI, your campaigns don't just reach a people, they reach the right people at the right moment. Creative optimization. Smarter ads faster. Creating ad creatives that truly converts used to take hours or days. AI changes that. It generates multiple variations, predicts what will work, and learn from a real-time engagement. This means your campaigns can quickly focus on the ads that perform best, saving time and increasing ROI. AI tools generate multiple ad variations and test them, so the strongest version rise to the top automatically. Copy suggestions and visual enhancements adapt messaging to audience preferences in a real time. Predictive performance insights show which creative resonate most, helping you prioritize winning content. The system continuously refines messaging, ensuring your ads stay relevant and engaging. AI ensures your creative don't just look good, they deliver measurable results. Budget and bidding efficiency on steroids. Managing ad spend manually can feel like juggling flaming torches. AI makes budgeting and bidding smarter by automatically adjusting in real time based on performance. You can now spend less time guessing and more time scaling what works. Machine learning algorithms adjust bid automatically to maximize ROI across channels. Underperforming campaigns are flagged and spend is reallocated to high performing ones. Predictive modeling forecasts campaign performance, helping you invest with confidence. Continuous learning ensures your budget is always optimized for a best results. Every marketing dollar now works smarter, helping you scale campaigns faster and more effectively. Data analysis and insights beyond numbers. Data used to be overwhelming. Endless metrics, complicated spreadsheets, and still no clear picture of what drive results. AI changes that by translating raw data into actionable insights, helping you make faster, smarter decisions without guesswork. AI detects patterns human might miss, revealing new opportunities in your campaigns. Automated dashboards provide a clear view of performance in real time. Sentiment analysis uncovers audience perceptions beyond clicks, helping refine messaging. Insights guide your next steps so campaigns evolve with audience behavior automatically. Your data now actively works to improve your campaigns rather than just sitting in a spreadsheet. Customer journey mapping hyper personalized. Understanding the customer journey is tricky. Everyone interacts differently across multiple channels. AI tracks this behavior and predicts next steps, making messaging more personal and timely than ever before. Multi-channel behavior tracking shows exactly how your audience engage with your brand. Predictive analytics anticipate future actions, enabling smarter retargeting. Automated personalization delivers the right message at the right moment on the right platform. AI driven journey mapping helps retain customers and increases lifetime value through timely interactions. With AI, every interactions feel personal, helping you connect with customers in a way that were impossible before. Fraud detections and ad safety safer campaigns. Fraudulent clicks and fake impressions can silently eat up your marketing budget. AI monitors your campaigns constantly, detecting suspicious activity and blocking bots before they impact results. This ensures your data and spending are reliable so you can focus on a growth. Suspicious activity is identified and blocked in a real time, protecting your ad spend. Patterns that indicate fraud or inefficiency are automatically flagged, keeping campaigns safe. AI ensures accurate reporting so your decisions are based on real results. Continuous monitoring safeguards brand reputation while maximizing ROI. AI keeps your campaigns secure and effective so you can focus on strategy and growth. So, whether it's targeting creatives, budgets, data, or a customer journey, AI is no longer optional. It's the game changer every performance marketer needs. Those who adapt quickly, use AI strategically, and focus on what works will stay ahead of the competition. I want to hear from you. What's your biggest challenge with performance marketing today? Drop a comment below. If this helped you understand how AI is reshaping performance marketing, hit like and subscribe for more insights. I'll see you in the next video.